Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will see a beautiful image effect which is available in CSS by default. For the purposes of easier demonstration, we are using only one single image and one single effect. We start by first creating a division tag inside the body tag and giving it a CSS class named container. This container is going to occupy the size of the entire screen. Inside this division, we have made another division and created a CSS class for it named image holder. This image holder will have a smaller size in rectangular shape and will be placed exactly at the center of the screen. Do not worry. If you are confused, you will understand better when we come to the CSS section later. The entire objective of this tutorial is to create a rectangular box at the center of the screen which can hold an image. Now let us move on to the CSS section. In the CSS section we first use the asterisk operator to reset the margins and padding to 0 for the entire document. Box sizing is also set to border box. We then target the outer division called container with dot operator. We set the width as 1302 pixels. We set the height as 664 pixels. We set the background image as linear gradient with angle and color parameters as can be seen on the code window. We also set the display as flex. If you have seen the previous tutorials, you will relate to this property. The reason we are using flex display property here is because we want to have complete control over the layout of its child element, which in this case is the image holder. Hence, by setting the container as a flex box, we can easily control the position of image holder. We further set justify content as center. This will horizontally align the image holder to center. We then set align items as center. This will vertically align the image holder to center. With this, we complete targeting the container. Now let us move on to target the image holder. Again, we use the dot operator. We first set width to 600 pixels. We set the height to 400 pixels. This will ensure that we have a nice rectangular box shape. You may use different values as per your design idea. Now comes the most important part. We need to put a nice image inside this box of width 600 pixels and height 400 pixels. To do this, we set the background image property to URL as can be seen on the display. This URL allows the user to use any image in right format present on his or her system. In this case, we are using the same Mickey Mouse image as in the previous tutorial. Kindly note that this image is located exactly inside the folder where this HTML and CSS documents are. We then set background size as cover. This will ensure that the full image fits within the image holder. We now use a new property called as filter. We set this filter property to sepia. Let us save and run this on live server and check what happens to our image. There it is. We can clearly see that the colors of the image have changed as per the filter sepia. Apart from sepia, there are many other types of filters which control brightness, saturation, contrast, etc. You may individually use them and check the effects on the image. Please refer to official CSS documentation online to understand the syntax of remaining filters and apply it. Congratulations! You have learned how to apply a filter to an image in CSS today.